What happened? Are you stuck?
Yes.
You can't get out?
I'm picking up.
Look at me. Look at me. Hey, Kara. Kara, what's on your face? Are you stuck?
Yeah.
Come on, let's go. Let's go get ice cream.
I'm too stuck.
You too stuck to get ice cream?
Yes.
How about let's go have some popsicles? Come on, let's go get popsicle.
I'm too stuck.
Let's go get a lollipop. Come on, let's go get a lollipop. Let's go in the kitchen. What's the matter? He got up there all on his own. Logan! Kara! Are you stuck? Give me a hand. Oh man, you really are stuck. Come on. You're welcome. Next time, don't jump in there. There we go. Hey buddy. How's it going, little man? Are you coming over here? Come here. What you playing with, an apple? Hi! Look at that little tongue. Oh, Kara, get off me! Logan. Hi! You gonna eat it? Ow! Mind your way at the TV? My bad. Give me a hand. Come here. Come on. Give me a hand. Let's go. Come on. Oh, there you go. Yeah. Here, I'm gonna let you go. Do your thing. Do your thing. Get up there.